So this adventure starts off with us driving pretty much most of the night to get up to Punxsutawney so that we can make it there by 3-ish a.m. It's only 16 more miles and then you're in Punxsutawney where Phil lives. Good morning. It's sometime around like 3:30 in the morning. I'm in this random parking lot in the middle of the mountains in Pennsylvania. I'm here to go to Groundhog Day today. So like we have to park a little bit farther away and then you walk up there. So we're gonna see what's going on. But so far there's not many people here. So let's go have some fun. So we came down this nice dark path over here to this medical building's parking lot, because this is where you have to park if you want to come to Groundhog Day and walk up there.
Or at Walmart.
Or to Walmart and take the bus, but we decided we would walk. So we're gonna go cruising through the darkness and we're gonna make our way up to Gobblers Knob to go see the groundhog today. So we're still walking and down the street. I'm not sure if you can hear it really well, but like I said, it's about 3:30 in the morning and you can hear the celebration. It's loud. So we're walking towards the noise. So we came from down there, going up this hill, almost like a hill. It's not really too crazy, but there's some pretty houses here, lots of awesome snow. And all that. We'll be there soon to see what all that noise is. Awesome random night walk though. I think it's getting a little bit steeper, but it's also gotten cold, so you can't go wrong with that. I love the snow. The buses that we chose not to take, instead the walk. I like the walk better. Glad we made this choice. After getting to the top of the hill, seeing that it's only 0.5 mile away was such a relief. It's only almost completely dark with the celebration somewhere over there and where we previously were. So it's a little bit after 4 a.m. and we're still walking up the hill. We weren't lucky enough like those people to get on guest list, so I don't know any groundhogs. Do you guys know any groundhogs? Because maybe they can hook you up if you ever come out here. I'm not gonna lie though, the walk has been pretty fun. It's nice and cool and dark and wintry. You really can't go wrong. So we are almost here and let's go see what's up with the groundhog. So we made it up here and
hey, that was chill,
yeah.
by the way. Big chill.
This guy just wants to scream and yell. I didn't know we were at a punk show.
Come back out here, Joe.
Oh, hey, we're in Punxsutawney, so that rings out, right?
We know him. We asked earlier.
This is it.
We asked earlier what the temperature was. Oh, it's being affected by the warmth of you. Okay. Early crowd. Hey, early crowd. Is it even cold outside? There we go. Okay, we'll practice that throughout the morning. Mikey! Play the second one. Got Cindy Lauper. Here comes Denny.
Little bit of the Gobblers Knob signage action going on here. This was right behind the line that we were waiting for to get some groundhog souvenirs. I mean, come on, you can't go all the way to Punxsutawney and the Gobblers Knob without getting a Groundhog Day shirt. I mean, they had so many awesome choices in there. Then I found this in here, which is the legend of the groundhog. I thought it was super cool. I read a little bit of it and then browsed the rest of the merchandise, like this awesome Phil hoodie that's over here. I thought it was super cool that they also had Phil's type of coffee. I didn't know Phil drank coffee, but if he's up this early, I'm sure he probably does. The weather capital of the world, Gobblers Knob. This is pretty cool though. I'll go back and cruise around some more and see what else is here. They were thanking a lot of the people who made Groundhog Day possible, and it was a super awesome time, so thank you guys. And then I found this awesome sign that's had a little bit of the history of what Groundhog Day is all about. Not gonna lie, after walking through the cold, this feels really, really good right now. Everyone's just chilling. Big old fire pit.
Less than 2.5 hours.
It's now 5 a.m.
Oh, let's say it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
This is what we like to call happy hour. Smoke them if you got them.
So
We are now about 2 hours from Phil. I'm not going to check on the temperature officially, but I'm going to ask if anybody here that came here early knows, is it even cold outside?
There you go.
And for those newcomers who are just going to try to horn in on that and pretend like they were here early, let's hear it one more time. Is it even cold outside? Lordy, Lordy, it's nearly 40.
So since it's 5 o'clock somewhere, we always do like to have happy hour. So we got happy hour. Free drinks for everybody, and me. We just won't tell you where you get them.
If you can find it.
So I came up with something. I was looking at this date, and it's 2, 2, 2, 2. So you would like, what would you think that you would call that? Like today's Tuesday, right? Tuesday.
That would've worked out
But
better.
it's Wednesday. So we're having a Tuesday on a Wednesday. When have you ever done that? Well, sometimes if you were intoxicated, you might have had a Tuesday on a Wednesday, but
It happens.
It happens.
That's okay. We're not here to judge. What we are here to do is introduce, you were here earlier, you saw the Philette featured dancers. These girls have been working hard for you, so give it up for them one more time. We're going to let them perform something they've been working on. They've been practicing all winter, so we want to give them their attention. Mikey, we're going to need to hear Philette featured dance number 2. Take it away. But occasionally, Phil likes to share the spotlight. So we're going to take a minute and just shine it to other people. Does anybody here have a birthday today? Out-of-towners, bucket list winners. We want to acknowledge everyone. We have some special guests as well. Obviously the Philette featured dancers. They work hard. We also, every year, we crown a Groundhog king and queen. Is our king here? Mason? Come on up, Mason. Groundhog king and the Groundhog queen
Mason
is our very own Arctic Abby of Philette.
hey! The king and queen of Groundhog Day, thank you.
So, we also have something else special. You are now all officially, right now, at a wedding. We've had engagements here before. Guy comes up, surprises his girlfriend, pops a question. We're done with that. We graduated. We're having a wedding.
Right here, right now.
So, I'm going to introduce some very special people, including, well, before we do that, I want to send the Philettes. Could you go down there and just sort of part the seas
We need a path right through here back
between
to
these
the...
steps and the trek line? Give the Philettes a little bit of
They're going to be
space
coming
there.
back with the bride the
We have
same
a bride
time, so
coming down.
separate from that and then leave that gap so they can come back down through there.
Okay, so first let's meet our special guests. Maid of Honor, very excited to have her here. From Altoona, Miss Pennsylvania, Megan Sinisi. Megan, you can line up right there. Yes, thank you. Marrying the happy couple, former president of the Groundhog Club and ordained minister, Bill Dealey Dealey. Welcome, Bill Dealey. I want to make sure I say hello to the right people here now. Okay, parents of the groom, Gloria and Rodney Halp, welcome. Parents of the bride, Karen and Ren Trapani. Can we please have Dylan, Jonah, and Julian Rush to the stage? We need groomsmen. Boys, are you here? Oh, thank you.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, we need a groom. Let's hear it for Mr. Nathan Halp. Okay. And now we need a bride. The Phillettes will present your trek line with rose petals, escorted by Inner Circle member Downpour. Mikey, please play in our bride.
We are here today to celebrate the marriage of Charity and Nathan Halp. Marriage is a promise between two people who love each other, who trust in that love, who honor one another as individuals, and who will spend the rest of their lives together. A strong marriage also nurtures each other as separate individuals and allows you to maintain your unique identity. Grow in your own ways throughout the years ahead, a safe haven for each of you to become the best while together and become better than you ever would be alone. You're adding to your life not only as affection to each other, but the companionship and blessings of deep trust. You're entering to share strength, responsibility, and love to make this relationship work. Therefore, it takes a lot of love. It also takes trust to know in your hearts that you want to be the best for each other. It takes dedication to stay open with one another, to learn to grow, even when it is difficult to do so. It takes Karen and Nathan, take each other's hands and repeat after me. Nathan, repeat this please. Tara. For their intended purpose. Go get them, Nate! Wedding rings are a symbol of your promise to one another. The ring, an unbroken and never-ending circle, is a symbol of commitment and unending love. Nate, without a shadow of a doubt. Mr. Tara needs to go. Congratulations. Guys, they're Punxsutawney.
They're married! We did it! Congratulations to you both. If you would, please. Less than 2 hours till Phil.
We want it now!
You have grown significantly since we started here at 3 a.m. So to my early crowd, is it even cold outside? We're still holding true to that, as long as Big Chill keeps telling me. Okay, it's talent show time. Gobblers Knob's got talent. We've been doing it for a couple of years. We hold preliminaries down in town a couple days beforehand. 2 finalists have been selected. They are going to perform for you. Pay attention because you decide who wins.
Hearts every February before you put another notch in our winter bliss.
but you ain't got no excuse. It's gonna come right back around, and we're gonna have to wake the old boy up. Now prognostication is Phil's vocation as they lift him up high for the entire nation. No water at night to prevent urination. The inner circle makes the big prediction. Wake up, Phil! 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 You see one of them guys with the funky top hats on? We've met some people from far and wide. We've had some great moments. We had a wedding here. We had a wedding 30 minutes ago. I mean, these are major life events. So in keeping with that theme, next up, we're gonna have a live birth right here, right on stage. There's a young woman, she's been laboring for a couple of hours backstage.
I'll do it.
Punxsutawney Phil's gonna deliver. Obviously, Thunder and I will be here to sing happy birthday, poorly and off key.
Hey, I've cut all 4 of my kids. I can deliver well.
It's a hard song. And then you, the crowd, are gonna name the baby. Hold on. No, I'm hearing she had the baby.
Oh.
And as you'll downpour. Love Uncle Downpour. Okay, so normally we would do this in a certain way we would help Dave and Rob and I. You're gonna soon find out Downpour needs no help, so we will not give him any. Good luck. Downpour!
Are we ready? What we're gonna do is do a little groundhog. You repeat after me.
Yeah. Repeat after me.
Groundhog. Let's try that maybe one more time.
Let's get it.
We ready? Ready! Are you guys cold or something? All right. Groundhog! That's awesome, awesome. Next up, the Punxsutawney Boys.
Be unstable, but watch what you say, cause we're now on cable. Ain't no faking, predictions Phil's making. We're going coast to coast if you're just a waitress. You ain't the early crowd if you're just a rush. Punxsutawney Boys at the Knob, cold kicking it live. Another spring, another winter here. He brings another dark, another light, another love. Our president's Lundy, he knows the law. He got a case of cane and he bangs on the door. And all around the world, we party round the clock. Blocks from a hotel, the early crowd rocks. Furry gloves and fuzzy hats, we're doing it inside. You're freezing for a reason, cause it's worth your while. Phil's on the floor once we pop the door. Here's the shadow coming with him for 6 weeks more. Phil in a stump, prediction we back. His word is better than any other that. Moonshine, something alright.
faces. Thank you.
Down to see Punxsutawney Phil. We're going down to see Punxsutawney Phil. Thank you.
Groundhog, 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 groundhog.
Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man.
Groundhog on me, groundhog, oh man.
I got Phil. It's Groundhog Day. So we gon' dance, dance, dance the night away. It's a melody.
Okay, you ready to get serious? Good Groundhog Day morning to you. Happy Groundhog Day. We are about to wake Punxsutawney Phil up so that he can give us his annual prediction. But before we do that, I want to introduce the people on stage here with us now. These people are in charge of hosting the ceremony of this Groundhog Day and perpetuating the lore and legend of Punxsutawney Phil. This is the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club, rain-making, down-pouring, day-breaking, shingle-shaking inner circle! We have current and past members, and I would like to acknowledge our former members first. First, starting with, where's Rusty? I want to start with Rusty Johnson, former vice
the world. Welcome to Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. When I got up this morning, my comment was going to be, this is the largest increase in 1 year we've ever had. But when I got here and I looked out, I'm going to tell you, this is the largest midweek crowd in the history of Groundhog Day. And to steal a line from Woodstock, you people have proven something to the world, that 10,000 or more people can get together at 3 o'clock in the morning and have fun and music and nothing but fun and music, and we God bless you for it. My job here is really minor. The center of attention is Phil and the handler. We're going to get to that really here very shortly. I have in my hand a cane that's been passed down to me for more than 100 years that Phil himself whittled with his teeth. With this cane, I hold it in my hand and I can speak Groundhogese, which is wiggles and nose movements, and we'll try to figure out whether I'm correct in interpreting it, because as we all know, Phil is always right. There are people here from around the world, London, Switzerland, Germany, Russia, every country in the world is almost represented, and every state in the United States of America is here, I can guarantee you that. So what I want to do is I want you to give a toast to the world, because you're on TV right now and around the world streaming, and our toast is going to be this. We, repeat after me, we love Phil.
We love Phil.
toast is this. May we all live long. May we all live long. Like Phil. Like Phil. All right, let's get him out. One more. Give me the chant, Phil. We have with us two scrolls that have been prepared. One is spring and one is winter. Are you ready to find out? You look beautiful today. Billy, help me out. Put your hand on the cane with me.
Get that one?
We got a prediction. Are you ready?
Ready. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Today, 2/2/22. Welcome to Punxsutawney to celebrate Groundhog Day, the 136th annual trek of the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club. Punxsutawney Phil, the seer of seers, the prognosticator of all prognosticators, was gently lifted from his burrow at 7:25 a.m., held high to sea. His faithful followers had returned with glee. Placing Phil on top of the stump, where in Groundhog ease, he directed the president, Jeff Lundy, and the inner circle to his prediction scroll that reads, "Winter has been bleak, dark, and bereft of hope. Yet winter is just another step in the cycle of life."
We have now left Gobblers Knob, and Phil did see his shadow. So that's going to conclude today's adventure for Groundhog Day. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and always subscribe to the channel, because you never know what awesome random cool place we will go to next.